Yes, one of the ideas that you should not have in 2023 is the idea of taking a loan and starting a business that you have no idea about. We always say if you want to start a business, make sure that you have understood everything regarding that business, in terms of marketing, in terms of finances, in terms of management, in terms of running and setup. Always understand the business that you want to start. Always understand everything about it. Just do your research. Know everything. Ask people who are already in that business. There's the do's and don'ts. Ask them, how do you start this business? What are the finances? What are some of the things that I'm likely to face when I'm doing this business? Make sure that you have you are well informed when you're starting a business before you go and take a loan. Because many people go and in a bank, they take a loan, they start a business, they have no idea, or they have not even planned about that business. They have no idea about what the business really entails. How do you market the business? How do you run it?